Colorful cute kids.
Hi friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color Everest and Marshall from Paw Patrol. Oh no, Marshall is sick. Let's take care of him by drawing a cute picture. Let's get started. First, I'll draw Everest. I'll start with her eyes. She's crying because she feels sad for her sick friend. Then, I'll draw her nose and mouth like this. Next, I'll draw her hat on top of her head. And right here, I'll add her to cute ears. Around her neck, I'll draw a collar with a pine tree pattern on it. Now, I'll draw her body. She's carrying a little backpack on her back, just like this. Then, I'll draw her tail and her legs. Now, let's move on to Marshall. Oh no, he has a fever. He has an ice pack on his head to help him cool down. I'll start by drawing his head with two ears like this. Next, I'll draw his eyes. He looks so tired. Then, I'll add his mouth. Oh, he's holding a bone in his mouth. Poor Marshall. He must be feeling really sick. Now, I'll use a black marker to color the spots on his face like this. Then, I'll outline the drawing to make it stand out more. Time to color. First, I'll use sky blue for their eyes. For the bone in Marshall's mouth, I'll use light blue. Next, I'll color these parts green. Then, I'll use orange for this part. For Everest's fur, I'll use light purple and gray like this. drawing is almost done. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!